You're welcome to this lesson on the fifth pentatonic position. It is not an entertainment, it is purely tutorial, but it is fun and you will enjoy as you learn. So welcome and stay tuned with us. I advise you take notes. Thank you. So this is our fifth position. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. We can see there's no note. So that means this fret here is on the body of the guitar. So we have to identify at what fret this is. So it is on the 9th fret. It is on the 9th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is fret 9. So we have finger 2 here. So we have 2 here. We have finger 4 here. You see 3 is free. So we have finger 4. We have finger 2. We have finger 4 here. Then we have finger 1 here and finger 4. It's repeated. This 1 and this is 4. Then we are back to our 2, 4. 2 and finger 4. So it's 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Represented in this way. So it will be on the screen, and then we can continue our practice so that we have it accurate. Our fifth position starts from fret 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the 9th position fret is actually our finger 1. Fret 10 is finger 2. Fret 11 is finger 3. And fret 12 is finger 4. Finger 1, fret 9. Finger 2, fret 10. Finger 3, fret 11. And finger 4, fret 12. So the position for this fifth pentatonic is 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Again, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. We'll start to the end and then come back. Okay. 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Please do drop your comments, and if there's any particular finger that you are finding difficult to manipulate, please write on the comment section. And if there's anything you have learned, write on the comment section so that we know how to progress from here. Thank you always, and cheers. 2 4 2 4 1 4 1 4 2 4 2 4 4 2 4 2 4 1 4 1 4 2 4 2. Which finger has not been used? Please write on the comment section the finger that is not being used here. Now, if we observe the positioning of this pentatonic, this fifth position, there's something we will observe. The number 4 is used in all the strings. Number 4 is used in all the strings. And number 4, the pinky finger, we all know, even those who already play, they find it difficult because you see it's very tiny and it demands some support and things like that. So we are going to do a special practice so that we fortify this fourth finger to be able to, withstand the movement. If not, the fifth position is it's a very sweet position. But the challenge you will discover, as many students always find, even myself, I find it like that. Sometimes the pinky finger does not have enough stamina to go. So we'll do some practice on this. So the first drill is to take it alone. Go. You see, when I was doing that, you see, I had the tendency of supporting with the finger 3. But sometimes it does not always work. There are instances where you use the third position, the third finger, to support the pinky finger because it is a bit weak. And because it is weak, it means it is very powerful. So I don't stop on it is weak, therefore it should be weak. No, it is weak, therefore it is more powerful. It is weak, therefore it is more powerful. Write it on the comment section and let's go. Let's go. So let's run it down again with particular attention to the finger 4. Okay, we go. 2 4. And since the finger 3, if you observe, this position in finger 3 is not used, isn't it? You remember the comments? You discover that finger 3 is the finger that is not used. Yes, it's naturally designed. So that finger 3 can sometimes be supporting the pinky finger. You see? So there's nothing with supporting the pinky finger using the finger 3. In any case, life is all about supporting each other. So why not the fingers? The fingers are already teaching us how to support each other. So thanks for always supporting. Now support by subscribing and writing a comment. Okay, let's go. And you will discover that naturally the finger 3 will start coming to the assistance of finger 4. Please, once that is happening, just know that it is a natural way. So allow it to support it. So when you are on the high speed, you discover it is coming closer to finger 4. You see that? And sometimes the support might not be necessarily touching this, but the support will be coming closer and giving this part of the arm support. So the muscles will come here to support it, this way. So allow it, it's natural, and enjoy it. You can see it is leaning towards the pinky finger. That is great. So let's support one another. Please, if you have any particular challenge with any finger, please, we are here to support one another. And always support by sharing, liking, subscribing, and adding your comments. Hey, you saw the way it came naturally. I did not call it. It just came naturally. So just leave it that way. That is good. Very good support. So that is about the finger 4. It needs support. And once the finger 3 is coming to support it, please allow it to support it. It's natural and it's recommended. Until then, see you in the next lesson. And please, if there's anything in particular that you need assistance on, you could always recommend, and then we make a special class. There's no need making so many classes that are not helpful to us. So let's make classes that will be directly useful to us. So thank you until I see the recommended classes. Peace.